1st of August, not necessarily the first day of August, there will be a historical announcement. In fact, it's ready. Uh, some project that we are unique and disruptive with it. A new department by O Media, and of course some international collaboration. It is ready, but I just chose to like skip the launch or the launching of OConnect commercially as a paid product. So in about 2 weeks or less, we should be listening to something very exciting from O Media, and it is a 100% AI project. So that's a new AI project.